everybody, welcome to my channel, the HowStation. My name is Tanvi and welcome to the very first episode of Kitchen Experiments. Now, if you guys don't know what Kitchen Experiments is, you can read the community post that I have posted a while ago, or you can read the description down below, whatever is easier for you guys. So for today's video, since it's the first episode and I am not a pro in the kitchen, I'm going to try out something very basic, very easy, and something which is trending a lot these days. So in today's episode, I am going to make the famous Dalgona coffee, or as you and I know it since childhood, the Feti Hui coffee. So yeah, we've been making the Feti Hui coffee since many years. I don't know why is it trending now, but since it's trending, I thought why not make it. So yeah, in today's episode I am going to make, or let me rather say I am going to attempt to make the Dalgona coffee. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right into the video. Okay, so I've got all the ingredients that we'll be needing over here on this table. So first of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some milk. This is about 3/4 cup of milk, and I am going to add 1 spoon of sugar to it and mix it well till the sugar dissolves. So I'm just going to add, you can add a little bit more depending on how sweet you like your milk, but I guess 1 spoon is enough. I'm just going to give it a nice stir till the sugar is all dissolved into the milk. Okay, so now that the sugar is dissolved, I'm going to keep this aside. We're going to be needing it later. And now I'm going to take this bowl, and in this we're going to make the froth for the coffee, or the main ingredient of the Dalgona coffee. So to make the Dalgona coffee, we need sugar, coffee powder and water in the ratio of 1:1:1. So the standard measurement which I have seen everyone use is 2 spoons. So I am going to add 2 spoons of sugar. Now I'm going to add 2 spoons of coffee powder. So in this container I had already removed 2 spoons of coffee powder, measured and kept it aside. So I'm going to add this whole, and then 2 spoons of water. Okay, so we've got all our ingredients in here, and now we need to whisk it till it's nice, airy, light and frothy. So I'm going to use this hand whisk. You can use an electric whisker as well, but since I don't have any connection point over here, I'm going to do it with a hand whisk. So I had seen a video on Dalgona coffee some 3 or 4 weeks ago, and I thought that this looks really nice. I should try it sometime. Little did I know that it is going to turn into this massive trend, and whichever social media I go on to, I see everyone making the Dalgona coffee or talking about it. So I was actually going to upload this video on Friday, but there are many people who are making the coffee, and I thought that I should jump onto the bandwagon as soon as possible. That is why I decided to upload this video today instead of Friday. So once the mixture turns into this beautiful light brown color from dark brown and starts forming soft peaks like this, we know that the mixture is ready. Make sure that the mixture is really nice, light and airy, because we want it to float on top of the milk. So I think this is enough, because it's like started forming soft peaks, and it's also turned into this nice light brown color. This took me about 10 minutes, I guess. On the electric mixer you can do it in within, I don't know, like 2 or 3 minutes. So yeah, hand whisk is 10 minutes. I'm going to put this aside for the time being. I'm going to take a glass, and I am going to add in a few ice cubes in it, about 4 maybe, and a small one. And then I am going to take this milk that we had prepared earlier with the sugar, and I'm going to pour it into this glass. I'm going to fill about 3/4 of the glass, not too much. That's it. And then I am going to take our Dalgona mixture, or our coffee mixture, and I'm going to pour it on top of this. Okay, so that's how we want it to float on top and not sink inside the milk. And now I'm just going to like even out the surface on top, or I'm going to try to even out the surface on top. Just add a little more out there and just like form soft peaks. That looks nice, right? And that's it. There we have our beautiful Dalgona coffee ready to be served. Now you can serve it like this, but I am going to add one more step to it. This is completely optional. I am going to add some grated chocolate on top. I really love the chocolate choco mocha flavor. That's why I'm doing this, but this step is completely optional. You can skip it if you want, and if you like the chocolate flavor with your coffee, you can go ahead and do this. So I'm just going to grate some chocolate on top. And now this is the final result. Okay, so now it is time to taste the coffee. So for that we need to mix the coffee mixture with the milk. Okay, after spilling about 1 spoon of the coffee on my table, I'm going to finally taste it. This is the best coffee that I've tasted. It's so yum. I tasted a little bit of the foam and it was quite strong, so I thought that it's going to make the coffee very strong, but to my surprise the coffee is not as strong. It's like really nice and I liked it. Oh my god, it's quite good, and the chocolate, it's giving it a really nice flavor. So I am really happy with the coffee, how it has turned out, and more than that I'm happy because I was able to make it in the first attempt. So pat on my back. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed watching the video. I hope that you all will try out the Dalgona coffee as well. Do tell me in the comments down below if you liked it or not. I'm sure you're gonna love it. Plus with the weather getting so hot, this is the best summer drink. You should try it out. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I'll see you guys in my next one. Until then, have a great day, take very good care of yourselves, and goodbye.